Hi, my name is Jim Mullany from Sitek Process Solutions. Today is Tuesday, July 21st, 2026. Today I'm doing a prior to shipment video of a new Sitek 480 8-inch spin rinse dryer. This will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, so we do not give our customers' names out. However, their PO number ends in 27777. This system has the following options or control system. We have first our slick device controller. This is the most state-of-the-art and advanced control system we believe you can buy in any spin rinse dryer. This customer had us upgrade it with the SEX-GEM capability so they can actually hook it up to their SEX-GEM system in their fab. I see it has the resistivity option. That's the DI resistivity, and I see it has DI recirculation on the back. It has the anti-static probes for the anti-static option, and then the serial number. It's manufactured in July 2026, and it's SRD 01856. The system is configured with the Integris low-profile rotor A19281M. That allows customers to run 200 millimeter wafers in this bowl assembly. We also will be putting a spare parts consumable kit with them. This will be covered for warranty issues. The spare parts will be then returned or purchased after the warranty time. This system is fully CE marked because it is going to Europe. And for reference, I'll be out at the customer site in a couple weeks and we'll be doing the startup and particle qualification on this process. All right, so I'll go ahead and start the system, and then I'll talk about our simple recipe we have and our support. Let's just put the wafers in like that and hit start. There we go. I have a pretty typical spin rinse dryer recipe. One is a rinse. We have a low RPM rinse, approximately 450 RPM. We'll then go into the DI purge, which blows all the water out of the nozzle so it doesn't drip back during the dry cycle. We'll move into dry one, which is a high RPM spin at a lower duration of time. That slings the DI water off of the cassette, the wafers, the rotor, etc., the sidewalls. Then we'll go into a longer duration, dry two, back down to 450 RPM for the process to be finished. Here we go. We just moved into the purge cycle. It's kind of boring to watch it during the process, so while the system's running, I'll go ahead and talk about some of our other capabilities of Sitek. First of all, our spin rinse dryer technology. We believe we're the #1 manufacturer of new and refurbished spin rinse dryers in the world. This system, 480, we have 100% spare parts for. We have every single part for this system in stock. We help same-day delivery for customers worldwide. We work very hard on stocking our parts. We also support the semi-tool S model, F as in Frank, and traditional ST. We actually have motor repairs, controller repairs, amp repairs, new rotors. Every single spare part on those systems we offer spare parts for, and we stock the spare parts here at Sitek. So we have a full line of spin rinse dryer technology of spare parts for the Sitek and the semi-tool product line. We also, about 5 years ago, purchased the Vertec product line. We are the owner of the Vertec spin rinse dryer, so we support customers worldwide on Vertec spare parts, service repairs, and purchasing of systems. So that's our spin rinse dryer process. What our other processes are, and they all fit in with what we make drying a breeze, so it's really cleaning and drying. We offer a full line of traditional wet sinks. That would be fume hoods, vertical laminar flows, the different terminology people use. We have both your 4910 systems and your stainless steel. We do manual processing or semi-automated systems. You'll see a lot of videos over the next couple months of quite a few systems that will be going through our final test and qualification process. Following up in the cleaning section of our company, we offer refurbished and then a new Sitek box washer. That is for cleaning your boxes, traditionally for your boxes and cassettes, and we've done lots of other peripheral things in that system. But on the Floorware Integris HTC 8000, 8010, 20, and 30, we offer complete spare parts, and now on that full product line, we offer our Sitek Slick Device software upgrade. It takes an existing HTC box washer, so we can come out there, do a refurbishment or a semi-refurbishment at the customer site, do an upgrade to the new software technology. That makes that system 100% supported by Sitek. Once we put our PLC system in there, then we take control of all the software and all the actuators. Kind of following up on wet processing is our mask and wafer scrubbers. That would be your traditional Ultratech, Ultra T, K&S. Those are single wafer scrubbers. It could be their masks or wafers. We have a variety of systems that we offer, some with chemistry, some without. Some we can do multiple sizes without doing chuck change out. And if you go to our website at sitekprocess.com, you'll find what we call landing pages on all of our product line, and you'll have a lot of different specifications inside there. Okay, we're in dry 2, which is the low RPM. We still have about 3 minutes and 20 seconds to go. When you're looking at the control system, don't be worried if you see colors turn amber or yellow. Both the bowl heater, it's because that has a temperature sensor in there. Once it reaches temp, it stops heating until it cools down to the lower temp, and then it re-engages. When it's engaged, it's green. When it is now idle, waiting for it to cool down and hit the low temp spec, it turns amber or yellow. So talking about other products, what we also do is quite a lot of photoresist pumps. We do IDI, millipore, sideboard pump repairs. We sell pump packages. We do customer upgrades. We can sell you controllers, the pump itself, a complete interface package. If you go to our website and review our photoresist pumps, you'll see quite a few of the ones we do support. We do both the low and high viscosity, like an IDI 450 or an IDI 610, or your millipore high viscosity or low viscosity pumps. Okay, about 2 minutes to go. Kind of winding out our product line is some of the more traditional equipment we do, and that would be some particle counters, some film measurement systems, and a lot of surface analysis tools. However, wet processing is our forte of probably 90% of our company revenue. That would be the spin rinse dryers, our wet sinks. And when I say wet sinks, I should have gone in more detail. It's all the peripheral tools. We have chemical distribution systems, we have chem carts, we have carboys, etc. We have the full line. And then we have our box washers and our mask cleaners. Okay, we have about 1.5 minutes. At the end of the process, the system will upright to home position, which is 12 o'clock. Once that happens, the door will release, and I'll be able to take the cassette and wafers out, look to make sure they're nice and warm and dry, and be able to finish this video. For reference, our EMO box is on the back here. You have a front mushroom and a back mushroom, and a reset button for the EMO box. One thing I'll remind our customers, a lot of times when they install them, they forget they have to turn on the EMO box to make the system run, and they think, hey, it's not powering up. Well, you have to push the green button on the back to make it work. Our graphical display for reference tells you what's going on if it's lit up. N2 valve is green, low pressure purge valve is green, N2 heater is green, anti-static module is green, and the bowl heater. You'll only see the anti-static module in step 2 of the dry cycle. It does not come on step 1. It's meant to destaticize the chamber because when you have Teflon spinning or other plastics, you can build up a static charge. Okay, we have about 15 seconds to go. I did forget our light indicator. Green means we're running process. Blue you'll see in a couple seconds where it means I'm done with the process, unload me. Amber means I'm waiting to run a process. And then red means there was an alarm. If there was an alarm on our screen, it would come up and say unsuccessful run. And when you went into this screen, it would tell you what the alarm is, what the probable cause is, and what the fix is. Part of our software design is we try to enable our customers to be able to work on the tool themselves versus have to call support when we know it's expensive to have in-house field service support done. Okay, so complete a successful run, everything's good. To clear the screen, 3 different ways. I can open the door, I can clear it, or I can hit the clear button down here. I'll simply open the door. There we go. I like to feel for the heat. Yep, don't want to get too close to that. Oh, nice and warm. There you go. Looks good. Alrighty, that will conclude this very short prior to shipment video of a new Sitek 8-inch 480 spin-inch dryer. Again, my name is Jim Mullany. You can feel free to look at any of our products at our company website, again, which is sitekprocess.com. On any of the landing pages, or any of the pages pretty much, there'll be a contact sales where if you want to contact us regarding any of our product lines, pricing, etc., you can. Again, today is July 21st, 2026, and I hope everyone has a nice summer ahead of them. Thank you.